Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to use paper cardboard to make a toilet paper holder. First of all, use a pencil to outline a shape of the paper roll. Cut the shape like this. Then you are going to cut a long strip of cardboard like this. Make sure the width of the board is a bit wider than the toilet paper roll. Cut the edges in a zigzag shape all the way to the end. Use a strong glue to glue the long strip edge on the board. Do one section at a time until it dries. Then repeat. After glue the sideboard, it should look like this. Next, I'm making the head. Draw a head shape. I make 5 of them. Keep 2 of them with the edges to stick them on the body. Glue all of the heads together. After dry, use a strong glue to stick the head edges to the body. It should look like this after glue them together. Next, prepare 4 25 cm long strings to be the legs. Poke 4 holes at the bottom of the sideboard. Poke the string into each hole. Then tie a knot. Done the rest the same. Cut the excess off. Use the lighter to seal the edges. At the end of the string, tie a double knot to be the feet. Finish the rest of them the same. Next, put some colors on the toilet paper holder. I'm using black spray paint. You might need 2 coats. After dry, it should look like this. Next, I'm sticking a pair of googie eyes on the board. If you don't have googie eyes, you can draw a pair of eyes instead. The last part, use a string to hold the toilet paper holder up. Pull 2 holes on the top of 2 sides of the body. Put the string through the hole from the front to the back. excess off. Then seal them with the lighter. Now it's done. This is the final product. It can hold up to 7 toilet paper rolls. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.